G'day, I'm Adam from Adam's Landscaping and Lawn Maintenance. We're a family owned and operated business, and this is my man cave, the Wobbly Boot. It's a functional space. Monday to Friday it's, servicing the business, and on the weekend it's somewhere to kick back and unwind. I drew a lot of inspiration for my man cave from travelling throughout Australia, outback pubs, and everywhere I sort of went there was something that was quirky and unique, and I just took a lot of the inspiration and brought it back into my own backyard and into the man cave. Stands out and not your run-of-the-mill. The can wall behind us not only acts as a talking point and something to look at, but it also doubles as our insulation. The cost to build my man cave was around the $10,000 mark. That was to erect a colourblind shed and install a concrete slab. So the first step in building your man cave would be consulting your local council to get approval. The tradies that you'd need would be concreters, carpenters, plumbers and electricians. Yeah, and that'd get you rolling. When it comes to furnishing your shed or your man cave, the opportunities are really endless, and it's all sort of things we've found along the way. It all just fits in with the rustic look. To learn more on how to build your very own man cave, check out hipages.com.au.